If your device is not turning on or responding, it's likely due to either a firmware issue or physical damage to the hardware. In this video, we will show you how to fix an iPhone 14 Pro that won't turn on or respond. But before we proceed, kindly like and share our video to reach more users who need assistance with their device. Alright, now let's get back to the main topic. Here's what you can do. First solution, do the forced restart. If your iPhone isn't showing signs of physical or liquid damage, a firmware crash may be the cause of the issue. This is a common problem that can be easily resolved by following these steps. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Press and hold the power key for 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Release the power key and wait for the device to become active. If the Apple logo appears, the problem has been resolved. However, if the issue persists, try the next solution. Second solution, charge and do the forced restart. If a forced restart didn't resolve the issue, it's possible that your iPhone 14 Pro has a drained battery and the firmware may have crashed prior to shutting down. To resolve this, try the following. Connect the power adapter to a working wall outlet. Use the original charging cable to charge your iPhone 14. Leave the device connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes, even if the charging icon doesn't appear. Perform a forced restart while the iPhone is still connected to the charger. If the Apple logo appears, the issue has been resolved and your iPhone will continue to boot. However, if the device still won't turn on, it may be time to have it examined by a professional. We hope this troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications. Thanks for watching.